Welcome to Spain. Ibiza, a true jewel of the Mediterranean Sea, is a renowned Spanish island that mesmerizes visitors with its natural beauty and legendary nightlife. Ibiza has earned global recognition as a premier travel destination, attracting millions of visitors annually. While the island's reputation for its nightlife is unmatched, Ibiza offers much more than just parties. Let's take a closer look at this captivating island. Located about 80 kilometers off the eastern coast of Spain, Ibiza is part of the Balearic Islands. It lies southwest of its sister island Mallorca and east of the Spanish mainland. Ibiza's geography is marked by its stunning coastline, which extends over 210 kilometers and features pristine beaches, hidden coves, and dramatic cliffs. Its strategic location has played a crucial role in its development, serving as a trading hub and drawing various civilizations throughout history. Ibiza's idyllic climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters, results from its Mediterranean setting, making it a desirable destination for tourists. Did you know that the people of Ibiza are called Ibicencos? They take pride in their island's unique heritage and are known for their warmth and hospitality, welcoming visitors with open arms and making them feel at home. The island's cosmopolitan atmosphere has attracted people from all over the world, contributing to a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. The official language is Catalan, but due to the influx of tourists, Spanish and English are widely spoken. Ibiza Town, also known as Eivissa in Catalan, is the capital and largest city of Ibiza, located on its southeastern coast. It's actually a vibrant and cosmopolitan place that's especially popular with younger tourists. The heart of Ibiza Town is its historic old town, known as Dalt Vila, which is a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. Dalt Vila is a fortified hilltop area, surrounded by ancient walls, offering breathtaking views of the city and the Mediterranean Sea. Within its walls, tourists can wander through narrow cobblestone streets and visit historic landmarks like the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Snows. Ibiza Town's harbor and marina area is very busy, especially during the summer months. The harbor welcomes numerous luxury yachts, and the waterfront promenade is lined with restaurants. The town hosts various cultural events throughout the year. The Ibiza Medieval Festival in May brings the streets of Dalt Vila to life with medieval markets, and the Ibiza Jazz Festival in July welcomes famous jazz musicians. Sant Antoni de Portmany, also known as San Antonio, is a popular resort town, located on the western coast of Ibiza. It is known for its stunning sunsets, lively nightlife, and beautiful beaches. The town has a population of approximately 20,000 residents, although this number significantly increases during the peak tourist season. One of the highlights of Sant Antoni is its iconic sunset strip. Located along the waterfront promenade, it is famous for its spectacular sunsets. You can enjoy a leisurely stroll along the strip, lined with restaurants and chill-out lounges. The Church of Sant Antoni, the town's main church, is an architectural gem. Built in the 14th century, it features a blend of Gothic and Baroque styles. The main beach, Playa de Sant Antoni, offers golden sands and is one of the best beaches on Ibiza. Formentera is a small island, located 6 kilometers south of Ibiza. It covers an area of just 83 square kilometers, making it a compact destination that can be easily explored. Formentera offers an idyllic escape from the stresses of everyday life. The island has implemented strict regulations to maintain its pristine state, making it a haven for nature lovers. Formentera is known for its breathtaking beaches, with miles of powdery white sand and azure waters that rival those of the Caribbean. Playa de Ses Elites, often hailed as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, captivates visitors with its dazzling beauty. Ferries operate regularly from Ibiza Town and the port of La Savina in Formentera. The journey takes approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the ferry service and departure point. Beaches of Ibiza reigns as the crown jewel of Spanish beach destinations. It's an island where sun, sand, and vibrant energy create an unforgettable experience. Ibiza has a huge number of beaches, ranging from lively and energetic, to peaceful and secluded. It doesn't matter if you seek vibrant party scenes, family-friendly atmospheres, or serene hideaways, there is a beach for everyone on the island. Many of Ibiza's beaches are nestled within stunning cliffs, pine forests, and sand dunes. Most of the popular beaches offer a range of facilities to enhance your comfort. These may include sun loungers and umbrellas for rent, beach bars and restaurants, water sports equipment rentals, and showers and toilets. Many beach clubs host famous DJs and provide an electrifying atmosphere, particularly during the summer season. However, you should check local guidelines, respect the environment and follow any specific regulations or codes of conduct at each beach. If you want to learn more about Ibiza's beaches, you should check out our video featuring the best beaches of Ibiza. Santa Eularia del Rio offers a delightful escape from the bustling crowds and pulsating nightlife that Ibiza is famous for. This serene coastal town rests on the eastern side of the island, gently caressed by the Mediterranean Sea. Its idyllic setting, framed by sandy beaches and lush greenery, creates an atmosphere of relaxation. Perched atop a hill overlooking Santa Eularia, Puig de Missa is a striking fortified church that dates back to the 16th century. This well-preserved architectural gem combines elements of Gothic, Moorish and Catalan styles. At the heart of the town lies the charming promenade, a vibrant hub that encapsulates the town's essence. Here you can stroll along this lively thoroughfare, lined with palm trees and adorned with colorful flowers. The local beach, Playa de Santa Eularia, provides an ideal setting for families with its soft sands and calm waters. Es Vedra is a legendary rock formation that captivates the imagination and embodies the magical spirit of Ibiza. Rising majestically from the blue waters of the Mediterranean Sea, Es Vedra stands as an enigmatic sentinel off the southwestern coast of the island. This imposing limestone rock formation reaches a height of nearly 400 meters. Legend has it that Es Vedra is the tip of the lost city of Atlantis, or a mystical energy vortex, contributing to its status as a beacon of intrigue. The sun begins its descent, casting a golden glow over the island. Es Vedra becomes the stage for one of nature's most breathtaking spectacles, the sunset. Many tourists gather on Ibiza's southwestern coast, seeking the perfect vantage point to witness the magical fusion of the rock's silhouette and the sun's fiery hues. Portinatx is a hidden gem, nestled on the northern coast of Ibiza. This small town is blessed with some of the most stunning beaches on the island. Playa de Portinatx, the main beach, has soft golden sands and shallow calm waters, making it perfect for families and sun seekers. At the tip of the peninsula that cradles Portinatx, stands the Portinatx Lighthouse. This iconic landmark, perched on a rocky cliff, offers incredible views of the Mediterranean Sea. As the sun sets, the lighthouse takes on an ethereal glow, adding an extra touch of magic to your visit. Portinatx is a gateway to Ibiza's unspoiled natural beauty. Once here, you should lace up your hiking boots and venture into the surrounding hills, where scenic trails offer breathtaking views of the coastline. You can also explore the hidden coves, meander through fragrant pine forests and discover the flora and fauna of the region. Transport in Ibiza is well connected by air, with the Ibiza airport serving as the main gateway for travelers. Numerous airlines operate direct flights to the island from major European cities, making it easily accessible for international visitors. Upon arrival, taxis, shuttle services and rental cars are readily available at the airport. For those seeking a more leisurely approach, ferry services connect Ibiza to mainland Spain, as well as Mallorca and Formentera. Once on the island, Ibiza offers several transportation options for exploring its attractions. Renting a car is a popular choice, allowing you the freedom to discover the hidden corners and scenic landscapes at your own pace. Ibiza's bus network provides extensive coverage, connecting major towns and popular beaches. The buses are reliable, comfortable, and offer a budget-friendly way to get around the island. Timetables and routes can be easily accessed online or at the bus stations. Ibiza is renowned for its luxurious lifestyle, but it is still possible to enjoy the island on a budget. Accommodation prices vary depending on the season and location. To save on accommodation costs, consider staying in smaller guest houses, hostels, or vacation rentals in towns like Santa Eularia del Rio or San Antonio, which offer a more affordable alternative to the exclusive resorts. Do you think Ibiza is the best Spanish island? Let us know in the comments. If you loved this video, hit the like button and subscribe to World Travel Guide. You should also take a look at other amazing videos on our channel.